Some bait out here. Blackfish last week. Yeah, that's
Onyx, baby.
That's nice.
The Gomex.
We gonna see. Yo, cruising. Marilyn Jean. I feel them biting already. Oh, a big blackfish. Guts is on a fish right now. Oh, Bodie's on. I know that ain't no fish. Gotta be stuck. The shark. That's a big shark. Blackfish. Net. Oh, no. Oh, the bird's going to get him. Oh, he got him. Ow. Second keeper. Second keeper. Blackfish. We came off. Hell no.
Oh, he's in the boat. If you want the net, just leave in the water.
Good one, bro. It was that beef jerky.
He didn't feel like it.
I'll see you later. Thank you, bro.
Net. That's a keeper. Yo, you won the pool between us. You're the winner. Yes.
Watch it back.
All right. Crabs coming through. Oh, yeah.
That's a monster, bro. Nice. Take my title back real quick.
That's a blackfish right there.
Help me! Can you open 2 bags, please?
John Skinner.
Yeah, that's it.
At least the last fish. I'm doing stripers for. Yeah. The head off?
Yeah, that's it. They want to cook it that boat.
Qué inteligente tú eres. Few of us called keepers, but it was so different. Kingsborough College right here. Something happened over there.